it's Miss Megan.
Hey.
And Asher. Say hey, Asher.
Hey.
We are going on a walk to see if we can find construction. And oh my goodness,
There
look
it
what
is.
I found. We found construction. Asher, what kind of construction truck do you see?
Let's see. A red construction.
A red one. Asher found a red dump truck.
Right
Look,
there.
right there, look at that.
Right there. Look.
And look over there, there's a black dump truck. Should we get closer, see if we can find it?
Let's see it.
Let's see if we can find it.
Right now they're building a house.
Asher said they're building a house.
Actually, a couple houses.
Yeah, they're building a couple houses. So let's see if we can find all of the dump trucks and all of the construction trucks on our walk to find the houses. So there's one dump truck.
The red one.
The red dump truck.
Black dump truck right there.
Oh, Asher found a black dump truck.
I found a blue dump truck.
Let's see it. Oh,
Black.
there's a
And
black
blue.
one and there's a blue one.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. The black dump truck looks like it's dumping out dirt.
Yeah, it does. It does. I would want to live in this house. This one looks cool.
This house looks cool. Look, they're building a house.
Look at all that stray dirt over there.
Yep.
Look at it.
Oh, look at this. This is amazing. We get to see the digger dig up some dirt and put it in the dump truck. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's watch it.
Let's watch it.
Watch it.
Oh my goodness.
That's cool. Right now it's carrying a light blue pipe. Say hi. Say hi to the construction workers.
Okay, let's watch them for a minute. My goodness.
That is one big crane. You don't want to be there with that.
Look at that.
That is amazing.
So amazing.
So cool.
Did you guys see that?
That's so awesome.
That is so cool. Look, they're digging, they're putting the pipe in the ground. They're working with the dump truck.
Oh, and look.
Oh, look, now they have a big
using the
saw to cut the pipe.
That's one big saw.
Oh my goodness.
You could cut a giant tree with it.
Probably. Look at all of those people doing construction.
That is cool.
So cool.
You guys are lucky you're learning about construction. It's a really great topic.
Okay. Asher and I have to go, so we'll see you guys later. Construction is so loud!